Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Monata Records. So please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And today I'm actually going to continue the video series that I posted last time, which is the translation from Tagalog to Swahili. But today I have added one more language, which is English. This is for those people who have been suggesting that I should add English because they neither understand Swahili or Tagalog, but they need to learn one of those languages. So I added English for them to understand also and learn. Yeah, so as we continue, as you can see English from Tagalog, it will be translated to English, then to Swahili. First, I'm going to start with parents, which is nanay and tatay. Nanay and tatay can be translated to English as mother and father. Nanay is mother and tatay is father. This can be translated straight to Swahili as mama. For nanay, the Swahili version of it is mama, and tatai, the translated Swahili, is baba. And we can continue to relatives, which are tito and tita. For tito is uncle and tita is auntie. So as you can see, tito to Swahili straight you can say mjomba, and tita to Swahili can be as shangazi. So what we have to learn from here is nanay, English version of it is mother, then Swahili version is mama. Tatai is the same father, then baba. Tito, which is uncle, can be translated to Swahili as mjomba. And tita, which is auntie, can be translated to Swahili as shangazi. Yeah, so we will continue with ate and kuya. Ate can be translated to English as sister, and kuya can be translated to English as brother, which the Swahili translations is dada and kaka. Ate is dada and kuya is kaka. We'll also continue with grandparents, which is Lola and Lolo. Lola is grandmother in English, and in Swahili is bibi, and Lolo, the English version, is grandfather, and Swahili is babu. We have to pay attention on how they pronounce their words, as the first one is not eight, that is English for the past tense of English eating. No, this is ate and kuya, Lola and Lolo. And also Swahili is dada, kaka, bibi, and babu. So let's not forget that ate, Swahili is dada, kuya, Swahili is kaka, Lola, Swahili is bibi, and Lolo, the Swahili version, is babu. So we will continue with malamig and mainit. Malamig is cold, mainit is hot. Malamig can be translated to Swahili as baridi and mainit as joto. We also continue with mahirap and madali, hard and easy. Mahirap straight to Swahili is ngumu, and madali straight to Swahili is rahisi. So we also have to consider pronunciations, which is malamig. In Swahili is baridi. There is mainit. Swahili is joto. There is mahirap. In Swahili is ngumu. And then there is madali. The Swahili one is rahisi. Rahisi. Let's continue. We're going to continue with the sizes of things, which is malake and maliit. Malake can be translated to English as big, and maliit can be translated to English as small. Malake can also be translated to Swahili as kubwa and maliit as ndogo. So as we continue, there is marumi or madumi and malinis, which is dirty for marumi or madumi, and malinis, which is clean. But madumi or marumi to Swahili straight is chafu, and malinis is safi. As I said before, we still need to continue with the pronunciations. Let's try our best to pronounce it well. Malake, maliit, marumi or madumi, malinis. In Swahili is kubwa, ndogo, chafu, and safi. Yeah, so we are going to translate mabilis and mabagal. Mabilis is fast and mabagal is slow. From Tagalog, English, and Swahili, is mabilis, fast, and haraka. Mabagal is mabagal, slow, and polepole. There is also mataba and payat. Mataba is fat and payat is thin or skinny. For mataba, it can also be chubby, but mostly is fat. So mataba to Swahili straight is mataba mnene, payat mwembamba. So as I continue, I always emphasize in the pronunciations of these words. In Tagalog, there is mabilis, mabagal, mataba, payat. In Swahili is haraka. Mabagal in Swahili, the pronunciation is pole pole. Mataba is mnene, mnene. Mapayat is mwembamba. Must be there. Mnene and mwembamba. Mwembamba. Should be there. Also, there is gutom and busog. Gutom, hungry. Busog, full. Gutom in Swahili straight is njaa, njaa, and busog is shibe. Halika and umalis. Halika is come, like as many of the Filipino they can say halika dito. Umalis kajan, come here. Halika dito is come here. Umalis is go. So halika is come, which in Swahili is njoo, and umalis is go, which in Swahili is nenda or ondoka. Ondoka is actually go away. Nenda is go. So gutom in Swahili is njaa. Busog, shibe. Halika is njoo. And umalis is nenda. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me. On the next video, I'm actually going to provide sentences that can better explain the words that I've explained earlier. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, turn on the bell notification. Leave your suggestions under the comments below. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you.